Glam Squad presents
7 tips to keep your hands moisturized and relieve dryness. 1. Wear gloves. Protect your hands from harsh weather conditions and irritants by wearing gloves. 2. Moisturize frequently. Make moisturizing a regular part of your daily routine. Apply hand cream after washing your hands, especially when using soap that tends to strip away natural oils. 3. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your hands once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells and allow moisturizers to nourish your skin more effectively. 4. Protect your hands from the sun. Just like the rest of your body, your hands need protection from harmful UV rays. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to your hands whenever you spend time outdoors. 5. Avoid hot water. Hot water can strip away natural oils from your skin, leading to dryness. When washing your hands or doing dishes, use lukewarm water instead of hot water. 6. Maintain a healthy diet. When it comes to taking care of your skin, what you eat matters just as much as the products you use. It's like giving your hands a spot treatment from the inside out. So, why not indulge in a diet that promotes healthy skin? 7. Choose the correct hand cream to tackle dryness head-on. The key is finding the perfect hand cream tailored to your unique needs. Go ahead and pamper your hands with a cream that truly understands their thirst for moisture. Your hands will thank you with a soft and supple touch.